To fix Soundcore earbuds that are not charging, there are several potential solutions. The issue may be caused by dirt in the charging contacts, a faulty cable, or firmware issues. To address these problems, start by cleaning the earbuds. Use a cotton swab dampened with rubbing alcohol to clean the mesh and contacts. Remove the ear tips and wash them with water. Then dry them with a lint-free cloth before reattaching them to the earbuds. After cleaning, check if the earbuds charge. Next, inspect the charging cable for any damage, such as bends, breaks, or broken connectors, and ensure it is securely plugged into the earbuds. If the cable is damaged, consider replacing it. Another potential solution is to update the firmware. Download the Soundcore app, connect the earbuds, and select the firmware update option from the settings menu. Keep the earbuds in their case with the lid open until the update is complete. By trying these steps, you should be able to resolve the charging issue with your Soundcore earbuds.